So, yung unang step, gaganto kayo. Chug, chug, ganon. So, chug, chug. Tapos, bigla nyo idadrop. Idadrop nyo to. Ganon. So, 6, 7. Chug, chug. Tapos, drop. Hawak kayo dito sa legs nyo. Boom. Tapos, stuck. Ganon. Pagka-drop nyo, tuhod. Tapos, biglang, yun, isa yun. So, pagka ganon, I hate to break it to you. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flowing your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling fills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room, there's no one living. Boom. Ta. Tas, snap. Gano'n, pag gano'n. Snap. Tapos, tatouch mo itong likod mo. Can you read the room? Can you read the room? Tapos, gano'n. Can you read the room? Drop. Clap. Tapos, clap ka. Clap. Tapos, can you read the room? Gaganunin mo. Parang alam yung doorknob, yung gano'n mo. Can you read the room? Tapos kasabay niya, iikot yung hips mo. Gaganon. Room. Kasi ito medyo mahirap na next time na yan, pag marami tayong time. So try natin siya with music.